Let's play around with a Lunar Nightshade. This is one of the new holiday quints from Pat McGrath. I also have Bronze Ecstasy, but we'll use that in the next video. I want to jump into this palette and create two different eye looks, but first let's take a look at the swatches so we can see what we're working with. My name is Amelia and I love playing with new eyeshadow palettes, so if that interests you, then please hit that subscribe button. Okay, and here we have Lunar Nightshade, the front packaging, the back packaging, and inside. So in this palette we have 5 shades. We have 1 matte shade and all the rest are shimmers and metallics. The formula of this palette is very creamy. So for some of you with oily lids, you may find some creasing, so I highly recommend wearing a primer. The first shade we are going in with is Platinum Moonlight. Platinum Moonlight is a beautiful champagne color. This is gorgeous for the brow bone and that inner corner highlight. Next up, we have the matte in the palette, and this is called Midnight Iris. This is a beautiful berry purple color. We then have my favorite shade in the palette. This is Pale Amethyst, and this is the most sparkliest, beautiful, purpley, champagne-y, pinky shade ever. This excites me so much. Now jumping into the scary shade. This is Noir Nebula, and this is a very black shade with lots of different colored shimmers in it. I'm seeing lots of blue, lots of gold shimmers popping through it. It's so crazy. The last shade in the palette now, this is Neptune Orchid, the most popular shade. And this is a beautiful blue with a little tinge of green and silver at the same time, and gorgeous gold shimmers all around. Just beautiful. Here we have all the shades swatched out. This is definitely the most unique color story out of the holiday quints, in my opinion. This middle shade is everything to me, and so is this beautiful blue. This is just beautiful. All those sparkles, just amazing. Okay, let's go in with the 2 looks now. I'll zoom you in. For the 2 eye looks today, I want to create something that I haven't seen anyone do yet, and I want to see how versatile this palette is. So let's jump into it. First up, we're going to go into this purple shade. This is called Midnight Iris. On my lids is just a little bit of the concealer. No primer, just concealer only, and a little bit of powder. They keep creasing though. With Midnight Iris, I'm going to begin tapping that on the outer V area. Oh my god, it's so pigmented already. Oh my god. So I actually watched quite a few videos on YouTube of the reviews of this palette before purchasing it, just because I wanted to make sure that it was something that I really wanted. And yeah, I highly recommend everyone does that rather than just buying anything and everything. So I'm pushing this up into the crease and just tapping it all out. One thing I love about these shadows is they just blend for days. You could take one spot that we did here and it just blends all over. Also, fun little fact, my very first ever Pat McGrath purchase was the holiday quints from last year. I still have them and I still absolutely love them, and this is why I wanted to get these quints as well. I really enjoyed them. Okay, so we are smoking this out. We are buffing it into the crease. We're leaving a bit more concentrated on that outer V. It's raining so heavily right now. I'm not sure if you can hear that. Okay, I think that's good. I do want to kind of keep it simple as well. Now it's time for one of the shades I was most excited for in this palette, and this is Pale Amethyst. I'm going to grab it with my finger. I know most people were excited for that blue shade, and I was too, but this, I was like, that's gorgeous as well. So we're going to tap this on the center of the lid. Look at that. That's just the prettiest thing I've ever seen. It's just gorgeous. Like, are you kidding me? It's stunning. I just can't even with this. And the way that the purple blended out so softly. It just makes me want to buy the rest. So I only got the 2 quints out of the 4, and it just makes me want more. It's ridiculous. I'm going to jump back in with a little bit of the Midnight Iris, just to deepen that very outer corner only. So just a little bit of a tap, 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 you know? Oh my god, this is gorgeous. I can't believe I nearly didn't get this. We're now going to go in with the shade Platinum Moonlight, the very first shade. I love the names too. These names are just so nice. I'm going to try with a brush. May have regrets, but let's give it a go. And I'm popping that, oh, it's not, actually it's pretty good. It's really quite fine with a brush. I'm popping that on the very inner corner and a little bit onto the lid. Now, I will say, I saw everyone creating the exact same look in all the videos that I watched, and that look was gorgeous. It sold me. I definitely want to try that look out. That's why today I wanted to play around with the other shades in different combinations to see what versatility we have. That is a beautiful look. Are you kidding me? That is stunning. We're going to jump back in with Midnight Iris, which is the purple, and we're going to go along the bottom lash line. I barely even tapped in the pan and there's so much product coming out. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh my goodness. What do you guys think? It was so easy. Are you kidding me? That was so easy. I'm going to put a little bit of that Moonlight Platinum. Is that what it's called? Platinum Moonlight. That's the little first shade. Just a little bit on top of the brow bone. Just a little bit. Yeah, that's good. That was almost too easy. We're going to jump over to the other eye now. Okay, for the next... Oh, this is flapping around. For the next eye. Now, this is where I'm a bit lost and confused on how I want to approach this. So I want to try and create a very daytime look. Now for a going out nighttime look, 100% I would go for a halo eye with this as the deepening shade and then this in the center. But yeah, I want to create something that's a bit more wearable for the daytime. So let's just play around and see where we end up. So we're going to do something unconventional, which is we're going to go straight into the shimmer. The most popular shimmer in this palette, according to everyone, is Neptune Orchid. Gorgeous name, absolutely stunning. And this is like a silver blue with gold shifts, very unique. So with this shade, after I blend out my creasy lids, look at that. Oh my God. Okay, no primer. That could be my downfall. We'll see. I'm gonna tap this onto my lid and we're just gonna see what happens. Wow, it's so pretty. It goes on forever and ever. Yeah, I'm just gonna tap this on the whole entire lid, pretty much. Oh, this is pretty fun, actually. It comes off more blue than I thought. In a lot of swatches, it looked silver, but this is quite nice. It's not too in your face as well, which I really like, and it's so sparkly. I'm going back in with a little bit more of it just to pop it on the center a little bit more. Stunning, stunning, stunning. Okay, what do I want to do now? We're going to jump back in with Platinum Moonlight on a brush and we're going to go in onto that inner corner. Okay, it's time for Noir Nebula. I can't say that very easily. This shade looks very fun, very unique. It has so many different colors in it, colored sparkles, I mean. Okay, and with this shade, we're going to just gently tap it on that outer corner because yeah, I want to try and keep this daytime friendly. I don't want it to go too crazy with it. Okay, we're getting a bit crazy with it. I just can't help myself. I'm trying to keep it not so crazy, like control yourself. I've honestly hardly used any product. Taking a little bit more of Noir Nebula and we're gonna pop that onto the bottom lash line. Just the smallest amount. Okay, yeah, see, that's it. That's already too much. Okay, taking a little bit more of Noir Nebula, we're gonna tap it on that very corner, just to get some of those nice sparkles coming through. So now you probably could have just left it with the nice blue shimmer, but yeah, I just really wanted to use all the shades, basically. Well, that's two very different eye looks, isn't it? We have achieved that. Do we want to use purple? I do, I kind of want to use the purple. Okay, this is the two different looks, but now we're going to use some purple. Going with that purple, I want to put this on the bottom lash line. See, that's nice. That's nice, okay. Will it let me blend a little, oop, too much. See, that's too much, too much. I just want the smallest amount of purple peeking through. She needs to be blended. Okay, jumping back in with Platinum Moonlight, just with a touch of it onto that brow bone. This is fun. I like this. It's kind of messy, it's undone, but it's also put together a little bit. Let's do a wing. We're gonna do a blacked wing liner on both sides. Let's see if I can do this. I can't do this. Finally breathe. Oh my God, I think I held my breath for that whole time. Okay, it's almost there. It's almost together. All right, so the wing is done. I've also just gone in with a white gel liner and gone into my waterline. Now we're gonna go ahead and curl the lashes. Okay, so we've just curled our lashes. Now we're gonna pop on some mascara. This purple look, I'm really loving. This, I'm not too obsessed with. Definitely needs some work. What do you guys think of these two different looks? I love the sparkles in these shades. I'm so pleasantly surprised with how good it actually looks. I don't know if I should pick up the other ones. I'm definitely not interested in this one right here. I'll pop it up here, but I am interested in this one. So we'll see what I do. I should probably control myself and just stick with what I've got. Hey, that looks pretty good. We're not gonna go with false lashes today. I'm gonna let the shadows speak for themselves. And there wasn't really any fallout either, which is really great. I'm gonna do the rest of my face and I'll be back. I'm back. I just brushed my hair. Not that you can really tell because it's raining today. So I was pretty set on the purple look being my favorite look. But then as I was walking around the house, the blue look was really capturing my attention. I don't know now which is my favorite. Please tell me which is your favorite, because I don't know now. I think they're both so unique and different in their own ways. Yeah, I don't know. I had a lot of fun with this palette. I hope you guys enjoyed it and try out some of these looks. The purple look is really easy to do. Super quick and easy to do. I'm looking forward to playing around more with the nice little blue shade here. I do want to try it with a nice brown, like a cool toned brown, even a warm toned brown? No, I think a cool toned brown. A nice cool toned brown in the crease, and then this popped on top. Oh, like just mixing, where is she? Where is she? Where's she gone? Here she is. Mixing Bronze Ecstasy and these two, that would be fun. Like that nice brown in here. I love the sparkles. It's so sparkly. So yeah, I love this palette. It was so much fun. It was a really fun palette to play with. Oh, and I hate the packaging, just on a side note. Bridgerton collection, not a fan of the packaging. So I do hope you guys enjoyed me playing around with this palette, and I'm very excited to try out this palette. This was the palette I was most excited about trying out, and that'll be the next video. So thank you guys for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.